If your Windows 11 computer is facing severe system errors, malware issues, or extreme slowdowns, a clean system reset is the ultimate solution. Many users avoid this because they fear losing their data, but Windows has a built-in feature that reinstalls the operating system while keeping your personal files safe. Here is how to run a safe factory reset. Open your Start menu and click on the Settings gear icon. Inside the System menu columns list, scroll down near the bottom area and click on the row option labeled Recovery. Look under the Recovery Options section block, locate the very top row named Reset this PC and click on the button on the right side labeled Reset PC. A blue menu box prompt utility will instantly appear over your Settings workspace. You will see two choices. Click on the very top option row labeled Keep My Files. This tells the system to wipe out third-party software, broken drivers, and registry configurations while leaving your desktop documents, pictures, and personal data untouched. On the next screen, click on Local Reinstall to use your existing system files for a faster setup. Click Next on the Summary panel, then click the Final Reset button. Your PC will restart and complete the clean installation automatically. If this safe factory reset guide helped fix your system issues, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.